good and excited to be here.
Okay, so I'll ask about how has the definition of a global MBA changed over the years?
I think earlier global MBA meant you're going abroad and you're studying, and it might be very, very localized there in that country. But now global MBA is something that gives you perspective on the global economy. You only cannot study about the West, you have to study about Asia, you have to understand the economy in the East as well. You have to understand the globalization. Right now, no country can, just stand on its own. So to understand the geopolitical situation, the intricacies and how one's own country gets impacted from the other actions, I think that's a global MBA.
Okay, so how AI has evolved over the years and how it is playing a very huge role in MBAs?
I think AI has only in the last 5 years evolved really, really, really fast. In terms of how it's playing its role in the last 5 years, I can tell you that it is impossible today to become a business leader without understanding AI, right? Your cost efficiencies are now driven by AI. Earlier, you used to have employees. Now you have AI agents as employees and you have human employees, right? To be able to then understand how do you lead an organization where human species is not just the employee for you, but also the AI agents, and also how your employee base can become more productive with AI. That's also a learning that a leadership has to go through.
Okay, so AI is going to replace human roles?
I think AI is not AI, but humans who are using AI are going to replace humans who are not using AI.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.